Dito tayo sa duties and responsibilities, continuation. B. The domestic worker shall not be assigned to the carry out the dangerous work threatens on her health and integrity her body to impair his own human dignity. Ang kasambahay hindi dapat patrabahuhin sa mga trabaho na delikado at nakakasira sa kanyang kalusugan at nakakasira sa kanyang dignidad. The domestic work for other parties of allow him to work his her for her own account. The domestic work has other parties to allow him her in her own account. At ang katulong ay kailangan meron siyang sariling account. The domestic employer shall have the duty to providing a safe living and work environment for the domestic worker. Sa C, ang domestic employer kailangan magbigay ng mabuting higaan o safe living. The domestic employer shall have the duty of providing a safe living and work environment for the domestic work and free from physical and psychological hazards in the particular and domestic worker. Kailangan ang paligid ay safety. Kibalik-an ba? Kailangan kung saan nagtatrabaho ay safe and work environment. Walang delikado kung saan nagtatrabaho ang kasambahay. Walang nananakit, walang naninigaw. Psychological, walang naninigaw. Physical, walang nananakit. Hazard, walang delikado. Particular, the domestic worker shall not be assigned to carry out any dangerous work and threatens in her health and integrity on her body or impair his human dignity. Kailangan hindi patrabahuhin ng mga delikado na nakakasira sa kalusugan at dignidad. Shall not allowed to perform domestic work for the other parties. Kailangan hindi siya allowed na magtrabaho sa ibang bahay. Shall not be subjected to any form of discrimination and harassment due to among the things gender, age, race, and religion's belief. Kailangan walang discrimination. Discrimination is underestimating, bullying. Don't say that this is just a housemaid, this is just house worker. You underestimate. This is not allowed. Discrimination, the harassment